Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Drummond online banking account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you've recently enrolled into online banking for a Drummond Bank account, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the address bar at the top and type in www.drummondbank.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official site of Drummond Bank. Now you'll be able to see this kind of an interface right after you open the address. If you don't have an account yet on online banking, then you can go ahead and click on Open an Account button at the top right. If you already have an account, click on Online Banking Login button at the top right, and this will bring up an expanded menu. Right where it says username, type in your username associated with the account. In case you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Username link right beneath the login button. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to look for your username for your online banking account. Click on Login after you're done typing in your username. If you're logging into your bank account for the first time in a particular device, then you'll be able to see this kind of message. You can click on Continue with Security Code. Now choose one of the options to get the one-time security code. Choose one of the phone number option or simply choose to receive a text message by clicking on this box and click Continue. Now type in your mobile number after selecting your country and then click on Send Text. Once you click on that, you'll receive a one-time security code sent to your mobile number. Type in the security code on the next page and you'll be able to log into your online account on Drummond Community Bank. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.